So I'm going to do a quick review of my trolling motor and electrical system on my PA14. Made some recent upgrades and just want to kind of show how all of this is working. So first of all, with the trolling motor, I've got a 50-pound tiller Minn Kota on here with an extendable handle, which I'm probably not going to need anymore. I'll show you why. This mount right here is the mount for the power pole micro, and I've modified the power pole arm to be able to fit into this mount. So the way this works is there's a pin right here, a big steel pin that slides through here. I've got some wood that's bolted together. I've got it held in with some galvanized screws to hold everything together, and it's solid. I've been using it for 2 months now, and it doesn't even budge. And in fact, when this wood swells up a little bit, it makes the pin even tighter, so it works great. And then I can just remove it and use my power pole when I want to use my power pole. So the mount has been really, really cool. So I'm going to shorten the shaft because the shaft is way too long. And then if we come up here to the wires, there's my Hobie crate that stays in place, and my battery box fits right in front of that. So these battery boxes, I got this one on Amazon, but you can get them at Academy now. They actually have the Minn Kota brand on them, but it's the same exact box. My boat power is coming in through here, so this goes into my wiring up in the boat to power my lights and my fish finder and everything else. It has some fuse protection. It's got a USB port on the side here, and it's got a cigarette lighter adapter on the other side. I added a volt and amp meter here, or a volt and current meter up here to the front. That's helpful. And then I added a trolling motor plug to the back right here. So this is where my trolling motor plugs in. So let me go ahead and open up the box and show you what I've done inside. So inside I have a size 24 battery, 92 amp hour per hour battery. Does the job. And then here's my DC switching, or my DC regulator, whatever it's called. I've mounted that in down along the side, epoxied it to the wall, and then on the back here you can see the rotary switch. I'll put the lid back up. And here's the rotary switch for the trolling motor, for controlling the trolling motor speed. So it's just right behind my seat. I can get to it easy. No separate control box or anything needed. Everything's all included inside. So everything's self-contained within inside this box. No need for any additional controls or anything else. All I have to do is just reach behind my seat, and the control knob is right there. That's about it, I think, for this. I'll show you the rest of my electrical here up underneath the nose in another video. But yeah, it's been working really well. With the rudder, I don't really find the need to have to steer. So the handle and everything is really kind of obsolete at this point, because the DC box with the knob here controls my speed. Reverse, I haven't really worked out reverse yet, so I guess the handle would be for reverse if I ever needed that. But I have reverse with my pedals, so it's not really necessary. So, okay, that's about it.